Welcome to CBL. Today we are going to guide you step by step on how to register and access free mock test for Punjab PCS through CBL app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your smartphone. Step 2. In the search bar, type CBL app and tap on the app icon when it appears. Step 3. Tap download to install the app on your device. Step 4. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 5. On the app's home page, you will see four icons: Home, Search, Sign Up, Login. Tap on the registration. Step 6. Fill in your basic details in the registration form and complete the process by verifying the OTP sent to your phone. Step 7. After registration, log into the app using your registered mobile number and password. Step 8. Navigate to Punjab PCS and other Punjab government exams vertical on the home page. Step 9. Select Punjab PCS test series and tap on mock tests. Step 10. Click on Buy Now. And that's it. You now have free access to mock test series. Good luck with your preparation and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.